Hello friends, today we are learning top 6 GK questions which are useful for so many exams. Which country is known as Land of Rising Sun? Option 1 Norway, Option 2 India, Option 3 Germany, Option 4 Japan. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Option 4 Japan. Second question. What is the biggest dam in Asia? Option 1 Kariba Dam, Option 2 Rogan Dam, Option 3 Bakranangal, Option 4 Hirakud Dam. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Option 4 Hirakud Dam. Third question. How many states and union territories are present in India? Option 1 28 and 7, Option 2 28 and 8, Option 3 29 and 7, Option 4 29 and 8. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Option 2 28 states and 8 union territories. Fourth question. UNO was formed in which year? Option 1 1947, Option 2 1945, Option 3 1939, Option 4 1946. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Option 2 1945. Fifth question. Who designed the national flag of India? Option 1 Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Option 2 Mahatma Gandhi, Option 3 Pingil Venkayya, Option 4 Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Option 3 Pingil Venkayya. Sixth question. Which language is known as Italian of the East? Option 1 Tamil, Option 2 Telugu, Option 3 English, Option 4 Hindi. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Option 2 Telugu. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.